Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss one more concept of PMI. See, in this statement is given to you the symbol of less than is there. In the previous questions you have studied the symbol of equality, but in this case symbol of less than is there. But the process is the same. N equals to 1, you will observe the result is 9 by 8. Definitely 9 by 8 is greater than 1. So result is true for n is equals to 1. So on that behalf we can say it is also true for n is equals to k. Now replace n by the k, you will get this equation number 1. Now let n is equals to k plus 1. It is k plus 1 less than 1 by 8 2k plus 1 plus 1. It becomes 2k plus 3. Now we take the left hand side, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus 1. See, here is the 3, before that 2, before that 1, means each term is reduced by 1. So k plus 1 when reduced by 1 it will become k. Now you see that this having the same result k, using the equation 1 you can substitute the here with the symbol. Now 2k plus 1, open the square, it is 4k square plus 1 plus 4k. Also take the LCM, it become 8k plus 8 and this 1 by 8 outside. It is 4k square plus 12k plus 9. It is equals to 2k plus 3 whole square. If you observe, it is the same as the right hand side. Only difference that symbol of inequality is there. Now see one more important question. It is quite different one. 7 to power n minus 3 to power n is divisible by 4. So the steps are same. N is equals to 1. It is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 4. 4 is divisible by 4. It is not necessary always you get a number 4. It is a multiple of that number with which it is divisible. For example, if comes out to be 12, then definitely it is divisible by 4. Maybe 16, maybe 20, maybe 24. Any number can be appear, but it should be divisible by this number. Now same step, n is equals to 1, it is true for n is equals to 1, then it is also true for n is equals to k. Now when n is equals to k, 7 to power k minus 3 to power k is equals to 4m. Here m represent that after getting value of k, if you simplify, then definitely you will get a number which is a multiple of 4. So we have write down here 4m. From this get the value of the first one, 7 to power k is equals to 4 to power m plus 3k. Remember we always calculate the value of first term. Now replace n is equals to k plus 1. It is 7 to power k plus 1, 3 to power k plus 1. Here you must take care in place of k plus 1. You always break this function in such a way such that whatever the value you calculate here, arrange according to that. Here 7 to power k is there, so I arrange 7 to power k into 7 and 3 to power k into 3. Because when base are same, then powers are added. If powers are given in the form of addition, then we can write down with the separate basis. Now put the value of 7 to power k from the equation 1. It is 4m plus 3 to power k into 7 minus 3 to power k into 3. Now this 7 is multiplied with the first term as well as the 7. Here the student always do mistake. They write down 7 into 3 to power k is equals to 21 to power k. Remember, this is a power k. These two terms are entirely different. They will write down in the form of multiplication only, but no need to go for direct multiplication. It contain the powers. It will not contain the power. It is an ordinary number, but it is a number with unknown power. So be careful. Now 3 to power k is common among all. It is 7 minus 3. What is left? 4. It is also 4. In this two statement 4 is there. So we can take 4 common. What is left? 7m plus 3. So whenever a number 4 is lying outside, it is maybe 4, it may be any multiple of 4 is there, then it indicate this complete result is divisible by 4. So we divide the result by 4. We can say it is divisible by 4. Hence it is true for n is equals to k plus 1 whenever it is true for n is equals to k for all n belongs to natural number. So remember, in case of divisible you have to take care about this step when you break it, it is according to your requirements, whatever you have. According to that, break it. Maybe adjustment with the power negative, maybe adjustment with the power positive. It is an important concept regarding to power. So take this concept very much carefully.